This is Professor L.B.Gayakawad's English Literature YouTube channel. I am Professor L.B. Gayakawad is teaching today a new topic on the active and passive voices. Here today I have taken the topic number 451. The topic is simple past active passive voices. Here we will see the active and passive voices in the simple past tense. We will see at first the positive structure. I liked my mother very much. This is the positive structure, and this structure is made, this sentence is made with the structure, and that structure is written here. I liked my mother very much. This is the sentence of the simple past tense. But this sentence has been made with the structure, and that structure is, this I is called the subject, this liked is called the verb number 2, that is the past form, and my mother is the object, that is the object, and very much is the complement, very much is the complement, and this is the full stop. So see, here I will tell you that the positive structure of the simple past active voice is subject plus past verb, that is the verb number 2, and then there is the object, and then there is the complement, that is the extra words, then there is the full stop. This is the positive structure of the simple past tense, that is called the positive active voice. Now, the answer of this positive active voice is, my mother was liked very much by me. What is it? Means we have taken object. What is the object? My mother. Means the object is here on third number. On the first number there is the subject, on the second number there is the verb, past verb, and on third number there is the object, and here we have taken the object first. Means in the passive voice we should take the object on first number. Then there is was liked. Was liked means what is this? This is B plus PP, means this was is the B verb, and this liked is the PP. PP means verb number 3. So here it has been the passive voice form or passive voice type, and that's why the sentence has become, my mother was liked very much by me. We saw my mother is the object, we have taken this object here. Then we have made here was liked, because this is the liked, this is the simple past tense, so we have made the passive tense as was liked. And then here we have taken very much, so this very much is the complement, and we have taken this complement here. And then we have done by, means we have taken this by here, and this I has become here me, means we have done here the subject case. So the subject is I, and that case has become me, and so it is called the subject case, and plus this is the full stop. So remember, this is the structure of the passive voice in the simple past tense. What is the structure? Object plus be, means here will be was or were. If the object is plural, here will be were. If the object is singular, here will be was, and that's why the structure is object plus be plus PP plus complement plus by plus C plus full stop, that is the structure. So you can make your passive voice with the help of this structure, and you can make the active voice in the positive sense with the help of this structure. Now we have come to the negative voice. So I will say he did not or didn't or did not like his mother very much. Now see, here he did not or didn't or did not like his mother very much. So this is the sentence of the negative sense of the simple past. What is the structure of this sentence? So this he is the subject, didn't, did not, like. What is this? Didn't or did not is the helping verb, and this like is the main verb, and his mother is the object, and then very much is the complement, and then this is the full stop. See, this is the structure of the active voice in the negative sense of the simple past tense. So here see this structure and make your I will say the passive voice in the simple past tense with the help of this negative structure. You can do this easily. Now I am going to the last sentence, and that last sentence is his. Now see, he didn't or did not like his mother very much. Now this is the active voice of the negative sense, and its answer is his mother was not or wasn't liked very much by him. That is the full stop. And I will discuss this structure. His mother is the object, and that's why we have taken here at first as the object, because when we make the passive voice, the object is taken at first. Then was not or wasn't I have taken, because here is the didn't, here is the did not. If there is the didn't or did not in the active voice of the negative sense of the simple past tense, then we take here was not or wasn't, were not or weren't, because if this object is plural, here is taken were not or weren't. So we have taken here was not or wasn't because his mother is singular, and that's why we have taken was not or wasn't. Then we have taken here Pippi. So see, this is the Pippi. So we have written here be plus Pippi, that is the verb number 3. Then very much is the complement, and by is there, which is taken here always, and so we should write here or speak here always this by. Then this is him, this is the subjective case, means here is the subject he, so this case has become him, and so here is the full stop. So remember again, I will tell you that take always object, then take, then be means was not, or I will say wasn't or were not or weren't, that is the be verb. Then take here the Pippi of this verb of like, or suppose here is the main verb, take always the Pippi, then take here the complement, and then by, and then subjective case, and then full stop. So now I will go to the conclusion, and in this conclusion I will tell you that this conclusion is with the subjects. Means remember, in English there are the subjects I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and they. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are the subjects. And when we think of this simple past tense in the sense of these subjects, then I will tell you that any type of subject is there. Means if there is any type of subject, we should use only the liked, that is the past verb, with any subject, and did not or didn't plus main verb with any subject. Means in the simple present tense, if there is the subject he, she, it, then we use the yes or es suffix to the main verb. That condition is not here in the simple past tense. So in the conclusion, I will tell you that if there is any type of subject, we should take always the V2, that is the verb number 2, when there is the positive structure with any subject, and then I will tell you if that structure is negative, we can take didn't or did not plus main verb if there is any kind of subject. So here today we have finished this topic. Again we will come together with a new topic. I will request you to see all the notes which I have put in the description box. Second request I will do, please subscribe, share, comment my channel, and do something that my channel will grow and grow. Thank you very much.